So I want to give you guys a couple tips today with an XP or XP Limited 99-03 just to seal them up under your hood here to keep water off your engine. One thing you'll notice up here is these holes, so they just act as air intakes just to get some cool air down into the motor. There's usually a couple hoses that hang down from them. Problem is they do leak quite a bit. These aren't very secure in here. What they actually did, I think on the 2000 and up models, is this is all fiberglassed over and these are no longer there. So if you have a older one like a 97 to 99, rather than taking these out, fiberglassing that in or sealing them up somehow, what you can actually do is extend them. And this isn't something I came up with. I saw this online. A guy came up with this. This is an amazing idea. It works so well. So we've actually extended these up like this. So now when we close the hood, that just seals in there perfectly and no water gets in. So you can get these at a plumbing department. What it is a CH40 2-inch to 1.5 inch in this case. So the inner diameter here is 1.5. If you can get it bigger, that's fine too. You'll just let more air in quicker. So these things fit in really nice, just like that. The other thing they do is they really push out this gasket when they're in there, so you don't have any issues with water getting in. This completely eliminates that problem. So I just leave these ones stuck up. There's like 2 ribs here, so the 3rd rib is down in there. And that will eliminate water from getting in. You can still connect your hose down below if you like. The second place water really gets in on these boats is this gasket here. So just making sure this is all intact. What happens a lot with these is this piece here stays up on the hull, this piece separates. It's kind of hard to see, but I have just used some RTV. It's actually the Right Stuff sealant, same thing you're going to use on your ride plate. So I've just sealed that up anywhere it was coming off. Okay, so that's the first thing. Second thing is on your storage tray that goes here, there's also a gasket. So this usually gets quite compressed. You can see there's not much left in a few areas on it. Up here we're doing pretty good though, but back here it is quite compressed. You can go ahead, pull all that off, get this weather stripping, usually where they sell like door hardware at a hardware store, and then just clean this up nice so it'll stick. This is self-adhesive, and this has been on there for about 1.5 years now, and it's actually held up pretty well. It's still sealed up, so I don't need to go ahead and do anything with that to replace just yet. But this stuff's cheap, really good way to keep water out. There you go. There are 2 tips to keep water out of your engine on a SeaDoo XP Limited. It's got a bunch of other videos on my channel. Please be sure to take a look at all of those. Lots about modding these things up, so hopefully that'll help you make your SeaDoo go a little bit faster.